Right, I don't know how it happened, but over time my exhaust has deteriorated. As you can see, no longer seals. That spring has had it, and it's causing this whole thing to move. So we're going to replace the end can today. Now these springs can be really hard to get off sometimes, so let's see how hard it is for me to get this off with my hands. Yeah, shouldn't be able to remove that with my fingers. That's how. 10 years on the bike. It's been on the bike. This has been on the bike 10 years. Okay, in its defence, 10 years of abuse. This is a genuine Leo Vince. It did say Leo Vince. You can see the. It did say Leo Vince, and I let the sticker come off. The exhaust itself is probably all right. It's just a shame about that wear that it got from. Somehow it got wear.
Yes. And he's down.
Oh my goodness! What a weight saving! This is insane. I only wanted it for the sound dampening, but I hope this thing's got some sound dampening. It's tiny. The exhaust comes with no fitting instructions, and this is the fitting instructions of the email. It's only text, no pictures. Just be warned. Right. Well, they do send a new bit of piping, but this pipe is exactly the same dimensions as the previous one. So I can't get this off. That bit's stuck forever. I think I'm gonna have to cut that Jubilee off, but I reckon I can just reuse that pipe anyway. I'll save it for when I do the whole pipe change, which will be in probably a few years' time, judging the state of this bike. I've got a spare exhaust for this, a whole full-length exhaust. Yeah, fits right on. Right, so let's put the Jubilee on there. Right then, that is much more stable than the old one, isn't it? And it's tiny. I'm actually a bit concerned now. It might be a bit too loud. Right, we've got to start it up, and I'm guessing the bike's going to have to reconfigure itself to get used to the new exhaust. Right, so tools for this job. Need a size 13, a size 10mm, some Allen keys, a couple of sizes, can't remember. Okay, well it's on, it's all been started up. Fitting instructions basically 0, so that was a pain. But if you're fitting on a 650, that's where you need to bolt it. And that's where the standard silencer is, they slide on, the standard ones do. And the Leo Vince slided on as well. This one, it's the only place that it would line up with, that bolt there. So yeah, it must be the correct one. This exhaust is so tiny compared to the old one, and even more if it was the stock. That's insane how little that exhaust is. It sounds all right actually. So yeah, come back soon when I do my test ride.